Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex ladies digital watch. This is going to be the 1440 model, and this is going to have the same settings as the men's model. As you can see, the one on the left, they both features 2 buttons on the right and 2 on the left. So as you can see here on our main display, we have the time and date, and this suggests the fact that we are on our home screen where we have T1. In case you are not here, you can press the mode button in order to toggle between the different options and functions of the watch. So we have the alarm, the stopwatch, T2, so our second time zone, and then if I press it for a third time, I'm going to arrive once again at my main time, so T1, which is your home screen. In this position, in order to start setting the time and date, we are going to press the set button for around 3 seconds. It is going to beep, and as you can see, we can first reset the seconds always to 0, and we do that by pressing the upper right button. So they are going to reset to 0. In order to toggle to the next option, I'm going to use the mode button, and as you can see now the hours are flickering, are flashing. So we can only use the upper right button and we can only go forward. You cannot use the indigo function button because that will only light the display, so it won't go backwards. In case you want to move faster, we can press and hold the upper right button and we are going to speed scroll. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can adjust the minutes, once again one by one, or press and hold in order to speed scroll. Let's make it 25. Just like that. I'm going to press the mode button and now we are going to arrive at setting the date. Now something really cool about these digital watches is the fact that if you set correctly the year, the month and the day of the month, the watch will automatically calculate the day of the week for you. You have this function on Casio watches as well, especially G-Shock watches. So it will work up to 2099. So if I use the upper right button, I'm going to only go forward. If you go past your year, you need to go past 2099 and you are going to start all over from 2000 and then you can arrive at your correct year. I'm going to make it 2027. I'm going to press the mode button. Here we have the month, so I'm going to make it January, and then I'm going to make it the 5th of January. You can also use the speed scroll functions in the settings of the date, so that is something really cool as well. If you press the mode button once again, we are going to cycle back and we are going to arrive once again at setting the time. So if you made a mistake, you can correct something, and then in order to save the settings, so in order to finalize the process, we are going to press the set button. And as you can see, now all the settings have been saved. We have the time, it is the 5th of the month and it is a Tuesday. If I want to have the full date displayed, I'm going to press the start stop button, and as long as you hold it, it will display the full date. So as you can see, the 5th of January 2027. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your ladies Timex sports watch, the 1440 model. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, please make sure to check the link in the description box below because I have the full guide. And if you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next. If you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.